Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, above the line in your mind leads to above the line actions and choices. And this has been the message throughout this entire week on the morning announcements. And the best part about being above the line in your mind is that you have 100% control of what you think and what you say to yourself up here in your brain. So choose to be above the line in your mind. Now, this may not always be easy because we do have so many things we think about throughout a day and so many events we're going to encounter that affects what we think. But those thoughts and those events do not take away your ability to control being above the line in your mind. In order to be disciplined in your brain, you can follow what we call the 6 disciplines of the R factor. And I just want you to remember this letter R right here in E plus R equals O is your response, that thing you have 100% control over. And being above the line in your mind starts with the first 2 disciplines that we'll talk about and go over all throughout the school year. And those are to press pause and get your mind right. And if you notice you're not above the line with how you're thinking, or maybe your focus isn't where it needs to be, then you, number 1, press pause. And then number 2, get your mind right. And like I said, we're going to learn much more about both of these disciplines. But what you will learn is that you have to press pause all the time. So what does it mean to press pause? Well, simply stop. Stop what you're thinking and what you're doing and give yourself a chance to focus. Give yourself a chance to get your mind right. And when you have a chance to focus, then you're better able to see what the outcome is you're trying to achieve and figure out what above the line responses are going to get you there. So, what's the first step to an above the line response? Press pause. Allow yourself the chance to be above the line in your mind. Go about this Friday doing the work to improve the best version of yourself. And it starts right now by being above the line in your mind, by thinking, today, I'm going to be the best version of myself. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right, thank you, everyone. Today is Friday, September 15th, 2023. For lunch today, it will be garlic French bread pizza, green beans, orange smiles, and graham crackers. And if you're choosing a sandwich instead, be ham and cheese or peanut butter and jelly. We don't have any birthdays to celebrate today, but we have a handful of birthdays that are going to take place tomorrow. So we want to say happy early birthday to the following students. Happy early birthday to Ariel Suter, Max Zabung, and Charlotte Baumgardner, who will all be celebrating their birthdays over the weekend. We hope all 3 students enjoy their birthdays and celebrating it today with the Furry team, a day ahead of them getting a year older. And as we do every morning, let's take that moment to prepare ourselves for the day by pressing pause and getting our minds right, and remembering that we're going to have to press pause many times throughout the day to help us with our focus, help us remember and focus on the outcomes we're trying to achieve, and then how do we respond to get to those outcomes. Let's go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold. Now breathe out. All right. Very good, boys and girls. I do not have any other announcements for you this morning. So on this Friday, let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, Furry.